Hello and welcome. My name is Paul, and I will now show you how to solve a problem when you're trying to develop a Oculus Quest 2 game using distance grabbing. One of the scripts will be missing. So in this example here, I'm using Unity 2020.3.25 F1 LTS version. And I've got here a scene, and I've also included the OVR player controller, and note that I'm using Oculus Integration, and I've also already created the distance grab hand left and right, and now I want to implement grabbing objects from a distance. So after you have already added your distance grab hand left and right, by default you will notice that this script is missing. Distance grabber is not there. Instead, you will find OVR grabber. So that is a mistake in the prefabs for distance grab hand left. So what you need to do is to remove this OVR grabber script from the distance grab hand left prefab. You can remove it by clicking this and select removed. For example, if I wanted to remove this, I will click on this and click remove component. You won't be able to remove it before adding another script. So you need to add this script first before you can remove this. So before you remove this, you add this script first by clicking add component and then search for distance grabber, this one. So you add this here, then only you can remove this. Otherwise, Unity will not allow you to remove the script because it says that this prefab requires it. So you add this first, then remove this. After adding this script, you need to do the settings. So make sure your settings are exactly like mine. You need to have this move hand position checked. Grip transform by default is missing, so you need to add grip transform there, and you can easily add it by clicking this button here and search for grip trans. So just search grip trans here, and you should be able to see this one. So just click on it to add the grip trans there. So you should have this there, and this one might be missing too. So you have to search for left controller, left touch for your distance grab hand left for this script, and then make sure your left hand anchor transform, which you grab from here. Here you go to the camera rig, left hand anchor transform, you drag this and drop here. OVR player controller, you drag this and you drop here. Then for the sphere cast, you need to set 2, and this one make sure the settings exactly like mine. Prevent grab through walls, and this should be 10 to 8 -1. Now and then for the right distance grab hand right, this is the settings that I have. Okay, the other thing I forgot to mention is here. The animator for here need to be set to left hand skeletal low rest, which you can grab from here. Drag this and drop it here. Alright, and then for the right hand, repeat the same thing. You grab your left hand skeletal and put it here. Your right hand skeletal from here. Drag it, put it here. And then your right hand anchor is from here, right hand anchor. Drag and put it here. Your player transform is from here. Drag and put it here. Sphere cast radius set it to 2. Click prevent grab through walls, 10 to 8 -1. So if your right hand also has this script missing, just add it in the same way I just mentioned earlier. click add component and just add the script. So now it should work. So after you have done this, click file, go to build settings. Before you do that, make sure you save. So you must save everything. Click file, go to build settings, and then click on build. After you have built it, you will find a file. After you have built it, just go to your projects folder. In my case, it's Quest 2 Oculus Integration project, and you should be able to find your APK file here. I've named mine as Quest 2 ocinteg.apk. So if you see that means the build has been successful. Next thing you do is fire up your side quest, and then go to here, this button here. Make sure you're connected to your Oculus 2 using the link cable, and then delete the old file. So you need to delete the old file, so you just scroll down and look for your package name. For me it's this one. Right click, uninstall app. So after you uninstall the app, you can come back here and check to make sure that it has already uninstalled the app. It will show here. Now you want to transfer the APK file to your Oculus Quest 2 headset. Just click on this one and then navigate to your folder where you have your APK file. So click on this one, click open, and then it will transfer to your Oculus Quest 2 headset. So once it's finished transferring, you can put on your headset and launch the program from within Oculus, from the Oculus headset. Okay, now I've launched my Oculus. I've already transferred it, so I go to my Oculus, put on my headset, and then you will see that the APK file is under the apps window, listed under unknown source. So there you are. That is your Oculus 2 APK file, which you have just transferred into your headset. So just click on it with your controller, and it will launch. So now it is launching the APK file which you transferred, and this is your. You can grab normally, normal grab, or you can distance grab with the right hand. You can distance grab with your left hand. Just point with your index finger and press the grab button. And as you can see, it is working for both hands, left as well as the right hand. They are both working. Alright, so this is how you can solve the problem of the missing distance grab script for your prefabs for your hands. So that's all. I hope this helped you guys out who are having the same problem. So thank you for watching.